Everybody, and welcome to Hard Reset Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily install and set up the application for your JLAB Rewind Retro 2 headphones on your iPhone or iPad. So firstly we need to head over the App Store, and then we have to search for JLAB, as you can see in search bar. Here, as you can see, we have this application JLAB from JLAB Audio. Here you'll see the Get button, and you have to tap Get button. Then you have to authorize yourself using the Face ID, Apple ID or the Touch ID. As you can see, I do have this cloud icon. It's because I've got this application earlier. We just have to tap this download button and wait a moment. It depends only on your phone and internet connection status. Here we have to tap open, and now we have to tap allow button. Before this whole process, I recommend you to have your headphones paired before this whole process. Here now we have to tap connect on our device, and as you can see we have our device discovered. We have to tap connect button, and all done now. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day.